with Ashlyn, as you guys can see. We're gonna take her shower. It was gonna be like a nighttime routine, but with me, you know, her favorite sister, Aaliyah. Go follow my Instagram, Aaliyah B. Garcia. Oh yeah, that's her mapa and stuff right there. Alicia, be quiet. Alicia is also here, but she's undressed, so I'm not getting her. Yeah, so Ashley's so excited to take a bath. I'm in the shower because she is too old for baths now. Yeah. Say, hey, stop chewing that. Say baby. Say hey, hey, hey. Hey, wait, hold on. Say baby. Baby. She doesn't want to talk right now, guys. She's antisocial. Even though she's a preteen now. Hi, guys. So today, stop, Alicia. It's a brand new video for Ashlyn's channel. Welcome to Autism Life with Ashley. Welcome her. That's her channel, you know. Yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a nighttime routine with her. I'm Aaliyah B. Garcia, her sister. That's my YouTube channel name if you want to go check it out. Also, follow me on Instagram, Aaliyah B. Garcia. It's the same thing. And follow Ashley on Instagram. It's Ashlyn's Autism Journey. Ashlyn, wait. She can't wait to take a shower, you guys. She's already telling me to take off her hair and everything. Well, not her hair. Her hair type. So, yeah. No, let's just stop. So, yeah. So, she's so excited, and it's going to be a nighttime routine. Okay, guys. I'm literally sweating. As you guys can see, it is hot in here. Since I took a shower, she's out of the shower. She's in her pajamas. As you could see, Alicia also took a shower. But we are done now. She's done. I'm going to do her hair and we'll brush her teeth later. And I'll bring you guys along with me.
Okay, guys. So I am getting Ashlyn ready. Ashlyn does not want to wake up. This is her little outfit of the day. She has some Vans. Her cute little Ashlyn pants from our boutique. And a cute little shirt. If you guys could see it, she's just turned to the side though. So I'll try to face her forward for you guys. She does like to wear perfume for school. She's like, doesn't leave the house without it. So let's try to get her up. This is her shirt. If you guys can see it now, guys. So little 3 sprays. I'm gonna do her hair. It kind of looks already done, but I'm gonna do her hair. And she'll be ready for school. She's still like half awake, half asleep. But yeah.
Bye, Ashley. Porta bien. Ashley's scared to go down. There you go. I love the outfit. Alright, guys. I just picked up Ashley from school right now. She came straight to the room. Obviously, she's not hungry, but we're going to go ahead and take that shirt off because she was biting it, and as you guys can see, it's not ripped yet. Hey! I'm going to check her backpack in a little bit. I'm going to check her backpack to see how her day was. Look, we're going to have to change the shirt. If you guys see her with different clothes in the same video, it's because of this reason. But yeah, she went nice and dressed up to school. I went to get her to the bus, and she does well. I was asking the bus driver like if she's biting on the bus, so I need to reach out to the teacher if she's biting at school. Well, you know what, she came home with the ripped shirt the other day. I did record that in the family vlog, I believe. I just don't want her to ruin like her cute nice shirt that she could still wear to school. So change her shirt, Alize. Yeah, and I'm making white rice. That way she eats some because she loves rice. Alright, so she usually comes home with this in her backpack and obviously her communication device, which is in here. Hold on, Ashley. So this is, I have a pile there. I just haven't had a chance to blog it. But she comes home with like the classwork she does at school. All this. And then this is the same daily communication page that she used to have for elementary, and she's now in junior high. As you guys could see, it has the date and then the date, and she was ready to learn. She ate some of her lunch, and then She voided in the restroom. She does have a plan at school, but they also changed her diaper, as you guys can see. And then she did math, science, and social skills, PE. And then it has a note here where it says, great job helping today. Ooh, Ashley, you were a little helper. What? And then it says, good job using touch chat. Oh yeah, she can manage her communication device, which is this. And touch chat is the program she has on her iPad to communicate. So if you guys had any questions on that, I'll record her when she's having some rice. Alright guys, so Alize had already fed her one plate. This is her second plate. She came to the kitchen. I'm like, hey, I was supposed to record that. So yes, and the reason we come here, Alize doesn't like her eating in the room because she's the one that has to clean up the mess because Ashlyn is unaware. So that's why she's feeding it to her, but she can't feed it to herself. It'll fall out of the spoon, but she can feed it with help because she still drops and spills and all of that. So this is her second plate. And she brought it over here because she didn't want to go to the kitchen and eat. She actually wanted to eat laying down, but that's unacceptable. That's dangerous. So you need to sit down, Ashlyn, to eat. Sit down. You need to sit down. And the reason we came and gave it to her over here because I want to make sure she did eat her dinner after school, because this is her free time she has. She got off the bus, she came straight to the room. Obviously she wasn't hungry at the time, so this is her break. That's why you guys see her with her cell phone. And then in an hour or two, ABA will get here and she'll have her ABA session, and that's from 6 to 8. And then after that, we give her medication to go to sleep. And sometimes she sleeps and sometimes she doesn't. If you guys are not yet subscribed to Autism Life with Ashley, make sure to do so. Hit that big thumbs up, the bell notification to get notified every time we upload a brand new video, huh, Ash? Yeah, and this is kind of what her day looks like. We recorded the night routine. We take her a shower in the night. And in the morning, we all do teamwork. If you guys notice, the first video is when Aaliyah's helping out, taking her a shower. And then Alize, I believe, did her hair that day, or myself. Yeah, because it's from last week. This footage is from last week. Alize got her ready in the morning. You could tell by the voice of the video because they record and then they save the footage so we could put it together. You guys see that we all work together. Like, I could be vlogging right now, but then in this same video, it's Aaliyah, then Alize, and then myself. Even little sister does things for Ashlyn. She's not obligated, but she likes to do things for her little sister because she knows that she can't. Little big sister, she knows that she can't use the blender, obviously, and she loves smoothies. So if you guys haven't watched that video, and little sister's channel, which is Alicia P. Garcia, she's making a shake for Ashley. So I'll go ahead and link it down below. If it's not up yet, I'll go ahead and upload it for her. But yeah, guys, this is kind of like what the after school routine, not even after school, like the back to school routine looks like, because we take her a shower last night, like in the night, like I said, and that was Aaliyah. And then in the morning, Alize helped me get her ready. And no, this is not all the time. This is not all the time. We take turns. They were filming for me because I was busy doing something else. But we all do it. We all do it here. My two oldest and myself. Even Dad helps out sometimes, when like with appointments and stuff like that to help me with Ashley. This is what her not after school, I keep saying that. Her back to school routine looks like. And then I recorded her in the morning when we were dropping her off. And then and then if you guys see her with different shirts, it's because she bites her shirts, so we try to take them off before she rips them. I recorded her this same day, dropping her off to school, and then I'm like, okay, to finish off the vlog, I'm gonna record when she gets home from school, which I did, but I forgot the GoPro. So I'm like, okay, I'll record her when she's walking into the room. Obviously, when she's hungry, she'll go straight to the kitchen. And she's nice and comfortable. This is her free time. This is the little window she gets from when she gets off from the bus. She'll have dinner. Then she'll use her device, iPad or cell phone, while she waits for the ABA therapist to get here. And like I mentioned, after ABA, we give her the medication to go to sleep. and she sleeps sometimes she doesn't. Well, it's a new routine because they just went back to school. It'll be a back to school routine type of deal where you guys saw a little bit of everything. Nighttime, what we do in the night and what we do in the morning, and we all help to get her ready. We pick out her clothes. So this will be different videos like OOTDs and stuff like that because we like to send her cute to school, huh, Ashlyn? Yes, of course. And you guys all know she shares a room with sister, and she's gonna go ahead and do a video on that, how she feels sharing a room with sister. And she just redecorated her whole bedroom, which is Alizé and Ashlyn's bedroom, and she's gonna go ahead and show you guys that and blog a little bit with Ashy, how Autism Life with Ashy is. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure to do so. Hit that big thumbs up, the bell notification to get notified every time we upload a brand new video. You guys know the drill. If you guys are not yet subscribed to the family channel and all the girls channels, which Ashlyn comes out in, make sure to do so. Give them a visit. You might like the content. If not, that's okay. We are happy that you guys support Autism Life with Ashy, and we will be back with more videos. I wanted to mention, she does come out in the family channel, but a lot of the footage where she comes out, I save it for her channel. That way it could be all about Ashlyn and this channel. But don't think, oh, she's not coming out in the family channel. It's not that she's not coming out. It's just that I saved that footage for her own channel. If you guys get what I'm saying. But thank you so much for watching.